Alright guys, so today I just want to make a quick video to let you guys know because I forgot to post this. Basically I'm doing weekly giveaways. I started on Monday on the Facebook group, but I forgot to post on YouTube. So basically I'm gonna do giveaways every single week. So this week I'm giving away my course to 2 people. So all you gotta do is just leave a comment and basically follow my Instagram, and that's it. So for this week it's gonna be 2 winners. I'm announcing it tomorrow. I started on Monday. There's already been like 30 entries or something, so that's why I forgot to post it. But basically all you gotta do is leave a comment and follow my Instagram, and I'm gonna start doing more giveaways from next week. So if you got any ideas, leave them below, because right now all the ideas that I have is like giving away my course, book giveaways, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And I might do some cash ones later on. But so yeah, if you got more ideas on what I should give away except from that, let me know, because I'm out of ideas already. But yeah, by the way, join the Facebook group, because I'm actually giving it to 3 people. So I might do 1 person on YouTube and 2 people from the Facebook group. So there's actually a Facebook group where I started this whole thing, which is our Facebook group for this channel. It's a free group. I post content inside the groups as well, which I don't post on YouTube. So you're gonna want to go in the groups and you can get access to content there as well. So yeah, we're doing weekly giveaways. This week it's gonna be quantum profits, and this is a step-by-step system to make 1 to 10k month with Facebook pages. So, and trust me, I'm not keeping this course up for long, by the way. I'm actually gonna take them down very soon. So I'm only gonna do it for the time being. And I think at one point, I'm probably just gonna give them away and they're not gonna be for sale anymore. But we'll see what happens. Also, I'm changing up my whole YouTube schedule. So I'm thinking I might be doing 3 days, Monday to Wednesday, do some kind of content. Thursday, do a kind of review video like this, and a live stream, which I'm gonna do after this. And then Friday will be like a this week in social media, like an update, like a news kind of video on what's happening. And then Saturday, Sunday will be some other random stuff. I can't think of it yet. But yeah, by the way, just join the group and I'll post a schedule there of what I'm gonna post on each day. So obviously, like right now, it's just kind of random, and I don't like that. I need some kind of structure. So yeah, if you want to get the course, all you gotta do is join the groups to get more entries. Leave a comment and just follow my Instagram, which I'm gonna post right here somewhere probably. But yeah, so this is super cool. I'm super excited. I'm gonna do them every week now, every single week. So if you got ideas for other giveaways, let me know. But yeah, guys, I'm doing this for the channel. So and yeah, so the schedule is gonna change. Join the group, all that stuff, weekly giveaways, and I'm gonna do a live stream now. I think it's gonna be like a Q&A thing or whatever. But if you want to join that, so yeah, I'm doing these live streams. Let me see. I got it written down so I don't forget. But yeah, live streams are like once or twice a week. Here we go. So live streams are gonna be on Thursdays and Sundays. So yeah, don't miss them. Every Thursday and Sunday I'm doing a live stream. Alright. And yeah, the normal schedule I'm gonna post soon, so just to update you guys. But yeah, remember, if you want to join, follow my Instagram, like and comment here, and join the group, because I post the giveaway stuff in the groups first. I don't post on YouTube first because it's a bit much to have a whole video just for a giveaway. You know, like I'd rather just post it inside the Facebook group and then update a video like this later on in the week instead of, yeah, whatever. Anyway, so just join the Facebook group. I'll put a link. I don't think it's in the description. I'm gonna have to add it in. But